Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be doing this gorgeous set. Finally, I know a lot of you have been waiting on this design coming up, but like I said, I'm trying to post every single Thursday at 8 o'clock, so I don't want to just bang out all of my content in like 1 or 2 days and then have nothing for the week after. Here we are, another Thursday, another video. Let's get right into doing this design. So as you can see, I've already gone ahead, I have prepped the nails, I've applied my nail tips, and I've gone ahead and done my clear base. I'll list everything that I've used in the description box. If you wanted to check it out, you can definitely go ahead and do that. But it is all from my website, which is glitterplanetuk.com, and you can use code NINJA10 for 10% off your order. Okay, so now I've got that out of the way, let's get into this gorgeous, simple but stunning design. Honestly, it turned out so freaking cute. I'm obsessed with it. So I'm coming in with the Nailmate Candy Pink acrylic powder, and I'm just applying that to the free edge of all of the nails. And as you can see, I'm kind of slightly, very slightly, just blending and feathering out that edge so that the ombre is a little bit more smooth. It doesn't have to be super smooth because it is being capped in glitter, but you will be able to see it through to a point since the glitter is like a clear iridescent. But honestly, it just looks absolutely stunning over the top of this design, and I couldn't get enough of it. I absolutely loved how it looked. Okay, so now I've gone ahead and I have applied all of Candy Pink. I'm going to come back through and we're using the Nailmate Blizzard White powder, and I'm going ahead and applying this at the cuticle area and then blending it down over the pink. And basically these two colours are going to act as the base for the glitter to sit on, which is going to give this gorgeous effect that just looked so elegant and beautiful. So we're going to go ahead and do this on all of the nails. We're going to add the Blizzard White to the cuticle, blend it down, and then add the loose glitter over the top. So this loose glitter is from my website. It is called White Ice, and it's just absolutely stunning. It's the most beautiful reflective glitter, and honestly, I just love it. And it's perfect whether you work with acrylic, builder gel, or gel polish, because it's a fine glitter. It's going to go perfectly over gel on that tacky layer, and you guys are going to absolutely love it. So like I said, I'll link that down below, so if anybody wants to grab it, they definitely can go ahead and do that. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and do that same process. I have left this in real time. I know you guys absolutely love watching application, even though we are doing the same steps on each nail. I don't know, there's something about it. It's soothing, it's nice. Us nail addicts just absolutely love watching all things application. So yeah, I'm leaving it in and I haven't sped it up. So whilst we are just going through this process, I wanted to have a chat to you guys because I have a brand new online course that you guys may or may not have already seen. I feel like I don't talk about my online courses or online classes enough. But yeah, I'm plugging them into this video just in case anyone wants to expand their knowledge, expand their skills, and gain a few certificates for their portfolio. Now, the classes that are currently on my website for training are available to everybody and anyone. You don't have to hold any qualifications as they are workshops. The videos are laid out super professional. They are very friendly, easy to follow. You do get a certificate of completion at the end, and you get your own student dashboard where you can log in and log out to see your progress on the class. You have unlimited access to the course materials, all the videos, and obviously you can email me on the student platform. So yeah, they're super fun. So many of you guys that have taken them already absolutely love doing the classes, and your before and afters just honestly make me so freaking proud. The fact that people actually learn from my classes is amazing, because when you put content out there, or especially educational stuff, the worry is that are people going to get it? Are they going to be able to learn well and follow the videos easy enough? Do you know what I'm saying? So my class videos are super friendly, beginner friendly. They go so in depth that I think anybody could literally do it. So yeah, I was so happy with the outcome of all of my students so far. They're just fabulous. I also wanted to give you guys a heads up. We have a brand new product launch tomorrow, the 26th of July at 8 p.m. We are launching 4 brand new Build Plus Builder Gel shades. I'm going going to pop them on the screen so you guys can check them out. But yeah, they will be available tomorrow on the website, just in case anyone is looking for any new colours or just wanted to start their collection of the Build Plus gels. Honestly, these shades are stunning and I cannot wait to share them with you in a video. I'm going to do a video sharing all of the shades, all of the colours, because I don't think I've actually done that yet. But yeah, that'll definitely be coming up soon. Okay, so we're on the final nail. I already did the hover hand because I was like, I'm not doing two hands, it's all the same, we're just doing one. So we're on the final nail and we're just going to go ahead and apply that white ice glitter, applying it all over, making sure to get a smooth layer. Not too fussed if it misses certain areas, but you want for the most part for it to be covered. It's like a bit of a glitter fade melt. Honestly, it's just, look how stunning it is. Get a bit of a close up. I think it's because it's got such a nice golden glow, but then it goes blue and cool toned at the same time. I don't know, it literally looks magical. Okay, so now I've finished applying the design. I'm coming in with the Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic and I'm going to go ahead and cap the entire nail. At this point I'm also building the structure to make sure that that strength is there, getting the apex in position, but also making sure that the free edge is thin enough that it's not going to look too bulky or make the nails look really wide. I'm just going to go ahead and do that on all of the nails. I'm just going to show it again on this one so you guys can see the process one more time, and then we'll skip to doing the filing and shaping. If you haven't already, guys, please give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I will be replying to everybody in the next few days. Always love coming back and seeing you guys' comments on there. For the next step, we've allowed the acrylic to set and we're going to come in with the Glitter Planet tapered carbide bit and I'm going ahead and shaping the nails. I absolutely love this bit for getting around the cuticle because it is tapered. It allows you to kind of get that apex filing so easy since it's basically doing the work for you. It's, you know, less at the cuticle and then it allows that product to taper up but still gives it good shape. If you have a tapered bit, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't have one, honestly, you need to get one because you're gonna absolutely love it and it's so good for filing around that cuticle and debulking that area. So now that I've done that, I'm coming in and we are going to add some little opal crystals around the cuticle in a cuticle cuff position. I'm just doing that with the gem glue gel because this stuff is amazing. I'm adding some mini caviar beads in the center because that makes it look like so fancy. Honestly, if you do crystal placement, you need to add these little metal beads in the middle because it just properly fancies it up. So now that I've cured the crystals in the light, we're going to go ahead and add our super gloss. So I'm adding this to all of the nails, making sure to get really close to the cuticle and smooth out the product. The super gloss is actually self-leveling, so once you've applied it to the nail, if you just give it like 30 seconds or so, it'll just level out and get rid of any kind of groovy bits, if that makes sense. Just don't hit it in the light straight away because you want to give it a chance to just level out. Oh, look at them, aren't they looking fabulous? That's the other hand I already finished. I was just checking them out. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up top coating the rest of the nails and then I can add some cuticle oil and show you guys the final look of how these turned out because I'm obsessed and I'm assuming you guys are too since I have had messages non-stop about when is this video going to be up. Well, here it is and hopefully you guys love it as much as I loved creating this set because I just think it's really simple and easy for any of you guys to recreate but still looks so fancy and really, really fun. I'm just going to go ahead and finish applying the cuticle oil and massaging that in. I do also as well go ahead and get my clients to wash their hands and then we'll reapply oil just to make sure that there's no product left over on the skin. But yeah, these are the final nails. How stunning are they? Don't forget, I will be back here next Thursday at 8 PM for another video, so don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.